Alrighty, what have we got here today? Looks like we've got ourselves a Maestro from Flexradio Systems. Let's open her up, guys, and check it out. Just in time for field day. Right. So, what have we got? There's a foam thing with a grabby hole on top. So, it's packed in hard foam, cut out foam. And it looks like that's it right here. Really kind of a multi-layered foam, and it's in there pretty good. Okay, there we go. The reason is I was grabbing like this, and so I was grabbing that. That's all that's in that foam assembly. So that would be a mounting, or the standard mount or footing that comes with it. Here is the actual unit. Very black. There's a little bit of a flywheel on there. It's very resistance free. I don't really see a resistance adjustment, so it's very easy to turn, and there is a bit of weight to it, but not like the old days. Knobs seem not especially high quality, but good enough. I don't think that's going to break anytime soon. The buttons seem nice, and they definitely have a click to them, you know, a tactile feedback. And let's take that off. The screen it's nice and big, so that is one thing that is nice about this. So that's going to go on there, something like that, and sit on an angle. I did not opt for the adjustable legs, at least not yet. We'll see how it works out with this. So, what else is in the box? A quick start guide. Pretty thin. Your standard computer style power cord, it looks like. That must go into the wall wart. Right, so here is a power adapter. Yeah, so that goes into there. And it's made by MW. And it's got the standard 12 volt style adapter. Comes with a Ethernet jack. I'll be using Wi-Fi, and another 12 volt just pigtails, but it looks like there's about 4 feet there. more like 6 feet. And what else? Just a couple of little, so there is a, looks like a headphone adapter. I don't see any jacks on the front. Power's on the top there. Looks like it will fit these, so headphones probably. And so no, it does not come with a microphone adapter, so you have to use an RJ45 style of microphone right here. And so I think that's the Yaesu kind of standard, and I do have a Yaesu 2-meter rig, and so I'll just use the mic from that. Here is where a battery pack would go. Radio World did not have a compatible battery. They said basically Flex doesn't create or sell a battery for this. They just publish a spec for what you should buy, so you can just source them online, eBay or what have you. And it just looks like they've got little Velcro retainers in there, and there is a standard USB, which I'm not sure what that's for yet, but we're going to start playing and find out. The door doesn't entirely fit really precisely there. Bit of a warp on the door. Nothing to get concerned about. So there you have it. Let's figure this puppy out online. I'm going to have to get it on the same network as my Flex, which is going to be a bit of a challenge. But I'll figure something out. I know a thing or two about networking. So, there you have it. The Flex Maestro. It's got a nice gripping slot there. I like that. Alright, let's power it up. I just want to mention the power adapter has a very short cord on it. It's only like 3 feet long. What you can do about it though is, since this is a standard computer plug there, I'll just swap it out with one I got kicking around the shop that's much longer on the AC side of things. And I can probably even use this this little tiny one for some computer or monitor somewhere where I wish I had a shorter one. Anyway, no big deal. We can deal with that. Alright, we're ready to power on. Got the LEDs installed, got the power plugged in. Just reading through the quick start guide, which they like to tell me early on can be just referred to as the QSG. Good to know, guys. Good to know that I can refer to the QSG. This QSG provides only the basic steps to get up and operate your Maestro. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, just a little jab. So let's see. You do not... So I've powered up the Flex 6300. Turn on your Flex Series radio. Do not start Smart SDR if it is available. Don't be concerned with CAT and DAX applications at this time. So they are actually running on my laptop there, but I have not started. Turn on the Maestro. Okay, I had to switch cameras because the battery died on my other one, so there was some lost content there. What I had done is gone through the initial startup here, and where I select the radio, update the radio firmware, I mean, it all just happened flawlessly. You just press a button and it goes. But I didn't capture my first power on. Oh well. So here's the second power on. And gorgeous startup. They really try to make it look like you got a Cadillac here. Okay, so choose a Wi-Fi network. Maybe I just won't record this part. And we're back. It accepted my Wi-Fi password. I'm going to select the radio and connect. And it is now saying that I need to do the software download required. One minute estimated remaining. $15 seconds remaining. That's jumping up and down a bit there. It's nice the backlighting here. Unfortunately, it's not backlit underneath the artwork for the knobs, so you can't work it in complete darkness, I suspect. Step 2 of 4. But it's nice having the backlit buttons there. Adds a little bit more quality to it and visibility. And it's kind of spacious. I was when I first saw this, I thought, boy, they wasted a lot of space. Like there's all this, but you know what? It's not bothering me now because it's worse if they were too cramped, right? So they've spread out the buttons nicely, given you enough room. Nice big tuning knobs, and that's more precise when you've got a larger knob. Okay, what's it gonna do now? Hello, Maestro. Everybody remember the Seinfeld episode with the Maestro? The guy insisted on being addressed. Oh, look at that. Nice color. It's a nice display. Very sharp and good high resolution. And look at that. Without even knowing how to operate this thing, I just did what I would do with my mouse and brought up that baseline. Where is my volume? It's showing me here what the bandwidth is. If you click through it, it just goes through some pre-selects. That's very cool. Yes, so I can pinch it. Let's look at the whole band here. It would help if I, switched the antenna on. Tuning step. I'm looking for tuning step. Oh. Very nice. Alright, I won't bore you guys with me learning how to use it by twiddling the knobs, but there you have it. Really nice piece of kit. I'm going to have a ball playing with this thing. And I've got to get the battery so I can just take it wherever I want. Anyway, VE3CNU here. 73 guys, have a great weekend, have a great summer, and hope to, it's field day coming right up, so hope to maybe have a QSO with you guys. Catch you later.